Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So obviously car stuff is done with Geneva, but we've still got the car right here where we're taking a little bit of a trip for. So we've come to a place called Glacier 3000. So I don't know if many of you guys know about this. I was doing a little bit of Googling, found out about it, contacted the company that kind of runs this whole thing, and they hooked us up with 4 free tickets, so I really appreciate it. But it was something that I was going to come here for anyway. So what it is you take a cable car. This is like the entrance bit here. You take a cable car, which is outside here, and it runs all the way up to the top of the mountain. Don't worry, we'll get it all on video. When you get to the top, there's another cable car that takes you even higher, and then there's these 2 peaks. And what you can do is you can actually walk in between the peaks. So you can kind of, they got like a little bridge that you can walk. I think it's about 100 meters or so, and you walk to the peaks, and then you can see everything across the French Alps. So this is really cool. We've done some pretty awesome driving up here as well through the mountain roads. But I'm gonna stick GoPro on the head. I know I look like an idiot right now, but GoPro on the head. Try and get the drone up before someone tells us off, and get some amazing shots. But yeah, this video is all going to be about Blue Marlin and his editing. So good luck, Blue. All right, let's head up. So heading up in the cable car now. I believe it's going to a top point of about 3,000 meters. You take this first cable car, which is pretty big. A lot of people can fit in here, and then going up to the one there that takes you up to the peak wall. But the views are amazing. Right, so we've come to about 2,500 meters now, so there's another 500 meters to go to the next bit, and again to the next cable car. But the views up here are pretty crazy. Check that out, there's a pretty amazing view. Seems like we're high enough, to be honest, but I suppose let's go higher to the next stop. Okay, next cable car. So it seems like BMW have got some sort of deal here with X-Drive, but who says that we should take the GLE63 and do some of this on the snow? Maybe we get down? Yeah? Lou, should we do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so we're at 3,000 meters now, kind of, because we've still got to walk a little bit up. I don't know if I'm in the most appropriate shoes to get up there, but seeing as everybody else is wearing some sort of snow boots. But anyway, I'm doing it for the gram, doing it for the photos. Follow me here. See the troubles I go through for this. But yeah, I'm going to figure out where we need to go next. There's a restaurant up here as well, so obviously you know I'm going to get some food. But yeah, look at this view, look at the view, look at that. And we just saw like a little mini kind of avalanche thing as well. I went on Instagram yesterday when I obviously spoke to the people that I was going to be coming here, and there was a massive avalanche yesterday. So I'm not skiing, so come on. Welcome to the peak walk. This is pretty amazing. Come and check this out. Look at this. So the peak walk is up there, and luckily there's hardly anybody here, so it's like we've got the whole thing to ourselves. And I think we've got to kind of find our way through this little bit here, out there, and then there's some crazy shots up there. My glasses, yeah. Apologies. Ah, why are they in the video? Welcome to the peak walk. walk is done. It is freezing, but that was amazing. Honestly, I recommend you guys come and do this. It is so cool. I'll leave a link in the description of how to find it and details and everything, but it's amazing. I don't want to go back down, but I think it's only 4:30 in winter times that it's uphill because the sun goes down. No words, no words. Okay, so we finished with Glacier 3000, and kind of just to finish off the video maybe, I thought that, I saw it on the way down actually from the cable car, that they've kind of laid out a track for us here, you know, that needs to be driven. So if you look at this side here, put up these kind of walls on either side, and yeah, I'm thinking about take the GLE63, drive it around, try and drift it around, get it through here, little track. What do you think, Blue? Should we do it?
I think we should do it.
Maybe send the drone up as well?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have some fun.
Stuck there.
Yeah, Mercedes have got support around Europe though, so it's fine. Actually genuinely stuck. Alright, Blue, push.
I'll push it.
Push. So after managing to get myself stuck and then Blue pushing me out with the help of Cal as well, we're still in the mountains driving to the next stop. But I did not expect to be driving down a road where this is the background and have a dealership of Mercedes-Benz, a Porsche service center, and they've even got a Bugatti sign up there. So I think we should have a look around. It's definitely closed, but let's have a look around and see if they've got anything cool. I doubt there's anything cool in the mountains, but let's have a look. Okay, so there is something cool here. You can see through the window. This is a 911R. Black with yellow stripes. You can see the 911R on there. That is incredible. To find that in the middle of the mountains. I think we're like about 15 minutes from Glacier 3000. So way away from Geneva, way away from Lausanne and Montreux or anywhere else. But 911R in a ridiculously good spec. See if it's for sale. So another thing here as well, next to this ugly ass Mercedes that used to be here, is the new X-Class. Now I haven't seen this before. This is the first time I've seen the X-Class. It's basically a Mercedes that's a pickup truck, and I believe it's from Nissan. I think they've got something to, somebody told me something like that. But I thought from the pictures that I've seen that it was a lot bigger. But yeah, did not expect to find that here in the middle of the mountains. Okay, to the hotel. Right guys, that's it for another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Just kind of checked in, changed at the hotel, and gonna rest for today because a long drive back tomorrow to the Eurotunnel and back to London. But hopefully stay tuned because I think we might get some cool roads and just some general fun on the way back, but never know. So I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, like, do all the other bits, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.